I need a supervisor.
It's not gonna happen right now.
Okay.
Supervisors are on calls right now.
When it gets here, I'll ID.
Okay.
Yeah, that's not how that works.
That's how it's working.
That's not how it works.
That's not how it works, sir.
Okay.
Go ahead.
No, I
Put the
don't.
phone down.
Put the phone down.
Put the phone
Hold
down.
on. I'll give you my ID. Don't put your
Jimmy,
hands on me.
Jimmy,
I'll give you my ID. It's right here. I'm going for my ID.
Jimmy,
Don't
that's
resist.
not how that works.
Why are you putting your hands on me?
Because it can.
No, you can't.
You are being detained lawfully. You are not
All right,
following
do you
lawful
want my ID?
orders. Yes.
I'm giving it to you. Relax. All right.
Okay.
You gonna write me a ticket?
I am.
Okay, go ahead.
For failed use sidewalk.
Okay. Well, it's not specified. I used a corner and I'm over 500 feet from a crosswalk. Do you not understand the law?
I understand the law perfectly fine.
I don't think so.
Adjacent sidewalk right there.
I need a supervisor.
We will get one here.
We'll get one
Okay.
here as quick as we need, as quick
All right, let's hurry up because after 20 minutes, it's unlawful.
That's not accurate whatsoever.
That